Okay, so we're here with another extra credit question. On the basis of a population survey, there are 82.5 million males and 96.4 million females 25 years old or older in a certain country. The educational attainment of the males and females is shown in the accompanying table. Complete parts A through D below. So here's our table here, and we're going to make relative frequency table out of the males first, and then we'll probably do the females. So let's add this column together. We got 10.5 plus 29.6 plus 15.3, 5.2, nope, 0.2, 16.1, and 5.8. There you go. That is 82.5. So now we're going to take all these and divide it by 82.5. So 10.5 divided by 82.5, that gives us 1272. That will be 1273 because the 7 makes that a 3 because we're only going 4 spots, as I unfortunately learned when I did this problem previously and only ran at 3 spots. I did another take because I was embarrassed, but I guess that's kind of pointless now because I'm telling you. So that adds up, you round it to the 3. So for the next one, actually, let's go ahead and get this up. Kill 10.5 and 29.6. That gives us 3587, and you're going to round that up because it's an 8, and that's higher than 5 for those who aren't in the know. 3588, 15.3. That gives us 1854, and that'll be 1855 because there's a 5 in the 5th spot here, so 0.1855. Alright, associate's degree, 5.2. Oh, wait. 5.2. That's smaller. I'll fix the whole problem again. 0.0630. And you don't round because that's not big enough. So bachelor's, 60.1. 16.1. 1951, and you'll round that up to 1952 because of the 5. So 1952. The final one, advanced degree, and that's 5.8. I keep forgetting. I always get here and I just go numb. 5.8. That is 0.070, and you do not. Oh no, no, yeah, it's 4. I'm used to it being 3. 70, and then a 3. You'll not round up because that is not high enough to do that. So hopefully this is right, and it is. So let's do the exact same thing, but with the girls. So let's pull this column up here, do some adding. It's my favorite part. So 13.2 plus 32.6 plus 19.9 plus 5.9, 17.4, and plus 7.4. And that gives you a higher total. That's 96.4. I'll put that on my phone so I don't forget it because that'd be tragic. So let's do each of these divided by 96.4. So 13.2 slash 96.4. That gives us 0.1369. And you don't round up because the numbers behind that place are not high enough. So 0.1369. 69. Pull this back up. We're going to do 32.6. Get a 0.38, and you'll round this one up here to a 2 because that's 7. So 3382. So 19.9 for this one. You get 0.2064, and you don't round up. 4. Associate's degree, 5.9. That you get 0.0612. You do not round up because nothing behind the 4th spot is big enough to do so. For bachelor's, 17.4. Again. And that gives us 0.1804, and you will round that up to 1805 because the 9. So 1805. For the final one here, 7.4. And that gives us 0.0767, but you will round that up to an 8 because of that 6 here. So that should be good. Alright, let's take all this data here. This is honestly the easier part. And command mouse calculator. Let's take all this and bring it into Excel. That'll take just a second. And we're going to make these frequency bar graphs and we'll compare them, see which matches the best. Alright, make this a side thing. Nope, not what I want to do. Put this here. Put that there. Alright. So, that's actually the problem again. I keep getting really close to doing that. It's making me quite anxious. So, C. Construct side-by-side relative frequency bar graph with male numbers on the left, female numbers on the right. So let's highlight all this. I don't know. I'll see if we can highlight this too. They might be able to narrow it down for us. I don't know the ins and outs of Excel, but maybe it'll work out. So males, yep, it does. Okay, so males is on the left and females on the right, like I said. So let's just kind of eyeball it and see which seems to fit the bill here. So it's not that one because males are higher, or on this one the males are higher. And yeah, I was just making sure the males on the left. All right, yeah, so it's not this one. It's not B. So it's not this because those are way too high. The first one is not the highest. Could be this. Actually, I think it very well could. I think it is this, but we'll confirm it's not or is. So that, yeah, it's this one. Okay, let's just pick it. Okay, it's not this one, which is what a part of my plan. I wanted to everybody know which one it wasn't. So let's take a look here. Let's actually go back to the chart. Let me make sure I clarified what kind of chart we need before we get crazy here. Third, can we move this? I guess not. Okay, we can. All right, so yeah, I mean, I think that should be the indicator as to. Oh no, it's not C. I didn't do anything wrong here. I just looked at it wrong. Yeah, this one has to be shorter. So, we're kind of at a dilemma here because some of these fit the bill in some ways, and then they don't in other ways. So, let's do the one at 10, and then That one's a little up above 10. Hey, okay, there you go. My bad. But, we cleared it up. So, D. Compare each gender's educational attainment. Choose the correct answer below. So, from the look of it, they're pretty hand in hand. So, you'll say that each gender's educational attainment is about the same. Except generally, the girls seem to be a little higher than the boys. Actually, that's not true. It's varied. It's about the same. And yeah, so there you go. So that's that problem done. And yeah, that's all.